What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moonshiner Garage. Glad y'all could tune in today. It's gonna be about 80 degrees up here in Waco, Texas today. It's a beautiful day up on the hill. Got the shop lights on. We're about to get rolling.
Shut up, kid. Get go. I gotta get my YouTube channel going, man. You need to get to school, dude. That's what I looked like 30 years ago. Me and this guy's got 30 years in between us. He's actually born 2 days? 2 days after me, 30 years. So, yeah. Let's start this morning off with, y'all thinking OBS can't cam? Show him, son. Show him what an OBS can do. This is completely stock. Completely stock. I just throw some exhaust on it, some Flow Master. Oh, there he is. Now you want to get in the video. Now you want to get in the video. All right, son, have a good day, buddy. Love you. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that. Ugh. All right, today is Thursday, my friends. It's Thursday. I've been putting off working on the Moonshiner. Y'all been hearing me make excuses. Wow. At some point, I gotta get started. Come on. Okay, at some point, I gotta get started on that thing. I had the drive to do it the other day, but nephew showed up, so we were working on the 8.8 to get the S10 with some posi track, so we'd be ready for tailgate throwdown. We out here at Moonshiner Garage. We're building that 8.8 for that S10 over there for that 2 Street class tailgate throwdown. And if they let us in the stick shift, we're gonna kick their ass too. We just need both wheels turning, you know what I mean? I really need to get done on that. But what else we're gonna do today is I'm almost positive that I'm gonna do Thirsty Thursday today. Had a couple people reach out to me like, man, why don't you ever do Thirsty Thursday? So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Freaking love that truck, dude. I love it. It is freaking awesome. And it died. And it died. Come on. What the? You know, it's awesome to see the kids drive the older trucks and stuff, man. I know that my kid would probably like to have a new truck, but first, I'm poor, right? Second, I'm a truck guy, so I want you to drive something cool, man. And new's always not cool. What the hell is that smell, Piston? It smells like we got a dead rat in this dude. Like, for real.
Y'all been hearing me talk a lot about making the canvases, and I want to share with y'all some of the work we've been doing. This particular picture right here is my buddy Mercer. If y'all keep up with the channel, y'all know him. He works pipeline, and this is like a 48-inch pipe he's inside of welding. I've been working on doing the framing, the stapling, and just getting the canvas tight, while Miss Shine's been working on making sure that the colors are very vibrant and just really bringing the pictures to life. Hot Rodding with Jake's YouTube channel, Street Car Chronicles, they sent us over a few that we were able to do for them. Hot Rodding with Jake's photographer, so he takes some really good pictures that require little to no editing. As soon as we get those done, my wife had me go bring in a bunch of pictures of our own family, of some pictures that we've had for a long time that were just old, and we were able to bring them back to life, and we're just super excited to be part of what we're doing now. We made a lot of mistakes along the way getting the color right on some of these cars. And I got busy making up some Moonshiner posters. And these are some big old canvases, like 24 by 36. They're really nice. Honestly, Miss Shine's been doing all the work. And she's been keeping me next door remodeling her bathroom. Let me share some of that with you.
Yeah, the weather hadn't been on my side, but I got them. My place is starting to look like backyard with all that plastic over there. But yeah, there we go. I'm excited to get them put in the house. About 3 times I had to paint them, I ain't gonna lie. This is gonna be my granite countertops. It's not the thickest stuff in the world. It's nice though. It's got a finished edge here and a finished edge here, so this will be your front. I've got to cut this down. This is 25 inches. I need to cut it down to like 23 inches, and I need it to be 60 inches long. So I'm about to go get my DeWalt grinder with the diamond wheel, and I'm gonna get that down. A lot of people don't know, but I did construction almost all my life. Like when I was 17 years old, I started laying tile and showers and all that good stuff, hardwood floors. Then I moved into painting and all kinds of remodeling. And this is my old work trailer. I dragged this trailer around for years. I made a lot of money out of it, made a lot of mistakes too. Even though I've been out of the business for a couple years, I keep my trailer just like it was when I was working, just in case, you know. I don't have the best of everything, but I was definitely making it happen with this stuff. I keep it all because you never know when you're gonna need it, like right now. There's my diamond wheel, some buffing wheels. Oh yeah, I still know how to do it. We had a great weekend this weekend. We went up and we've got the grandbaby in. Welcome to Moonshiner Garage. Say welcome to Moonshiner Garage. She's not quite yet, guys. We're gonna get her there. She may be the next YouTube star. So what I've done here is just put some blue tape on there. That way I could put a mark on it, and it'll be a lot easier for me to follow with the grinder. Just makes it a little simple, especially on the black granite. It's harder to mark on the granite. Got my safety passes. Cut this short end off first. Huh. You clean that up a little bit. Guys, baby girl. Okay. That's how that's done, baby girl.
These are the coolest things ever.
Got like a baby holding fanny pack.
They didn't have these when the kids were little.
Yeah. Kids didn't have that big of a head either. Hey! Alright, so yeah, we got the granite cut, and you may be asking, well, what about the sinkholes and stuff? Well, in this particular project in our house, we're gonna put the bowl sinks on top. So they'll only require a small hole drilled there, a small hole drilled there. Well, what about the faucets, Huggins? Well, the faucets are also going to be just the stand-up style that the water just rolls out. So it will just be a small cut, small there and a small there. And I'm going to do that in the bathroom with the drill. All right. Now we're in the bathroom. It's coming along. That's the shiplap walls all the way around. We did all that. We tore out the old shower, put in this awesome shower here with dual heads, dual drains, and awesome faucets, and all that other stuff. My buddy Dylan built this one for me. Super nice. I'm trying to get this granite in. I've already used the drill and got the sink, the faucet ones in, and now I've got to make a bigger hole, and I've come up with this contraption here and kind of glued it, taped it down. I got to cut it out with this grinder, so I'm not really excited about that. And it made one hell of a mess up in there. So, I mean, this thing's anyways, brutal, but it got it done. Got a nice hole. Clean. And that just looks real good, don't it, guys? I'll leave one hell of a mess for her to clean up, though. All right, I can't film and do this at the same time, so you just got to trust me. It's a pain in the ass. Here I go. Okay. Down in there. Here we go. Come on, baby, just... Thought it'd been better to put some water in there. I'm sure y'all were probably saying that. And I did. I put water in the first two small holes. But, man, with all this white, it just... So, that's I just went ahead and did this one dry. I think it's going to be a little bit easier to clean up. But we're there now, guys. We got the hard part done. Let me see if I can get these sink and faucet in. I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like when it's done. Okay. That don't look too bad, does it, guys? I still got to do some caulking. These are still not bolted. I need to bolt them down, screw them down. But yeah, that looks pretty shiny, don't it? I think I don't have the water hooked up, nor do I have the drains hooked up. I got to make a Home Depot run tomorrow. These are the ones where the water comes out and twists as it goes down. So anyways, I don't really bring my YouTube channel inside my house, but hey, pretty nice, pretty nice. I'm excited about it. I also got the little towel rack. What's up? That looks pretty cool, don't it? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moonshiner Garage. It's a beautiful weekend here in Texas. Today is Saturday. It's about, right now, it's about 65. Supposed to be getting up to like 75 degrees. I finally got the cabinets done. They're in the house. They're painted. They're good. Trash guy's running late this morning. My boys ain't never been late. So I got a new company or something. What's up? Morning, gentlemen. These guys love me. They got Moonshiner Garage shirts. They got Moonshiner Garage hats. We give them something every Christmas. You know you're getting old when you take care of your trash guys. Freaking beautiful here in Axtell, Texas today. Let's see if we got any, hold on a second. Let's see if we got any damn rats in the thing this morning. Ugh. Man, when you live out in the country like I do, and you are surrounded by acres and acres and acres, it's just, 15 feet between that and this. And then you got these little holes in your garage doors. They just come up and they go in there. And then I got something for the ass right over there. So trick them right into that little ramp. And what do we got? Nothing today, sir. Nothing today. That's good. That's real good. All right, y'all too. I was gonna try to get on that truck. Seems like every time. Seems like every time I go to work on it, we got stuff to do, so. Barely made it.
Barely.
We made it though. Gonna have some ribs tonight. And not only am I working on with the granite, but also got her a new nice light I gotta get put up in the bathroom. We're getting close to getting the end of it. All right, we're getting that pit going, guys. So getting ready to go live tonight at Moonshiner Garage and be giving away canvases and just doing some small drawings. If y'all want to join us, you're more than welcome to on the YouTube channel. But I gotta shut this down because I still gotta get the tables and chairs and everything set up. I hope y'all enjoyed the little video. I come out, to be honest with you, I come out sometimes and I'm like really got the drive to start working on this. And then I pull the doors open and realize I'm out here by myself and I just ain't got that drive no more. And one day I'll turn and we're gonna start tearing this thing apart and getting it ready. Actually, we got less than 60 days. We're gonna do something pretty damn quick, but as of today, right now, we're gonna shut this one down. I wanna thank everybody that's watched my bullshit. And you know, making YouTube's not as easy as one might think. But we got my nephew putting that together. We're gonna get the S10 together. We're gonna get out here. Kevin's gone for a week. Maybe I'll wait till he gets back. We'll tackle this like a beast. And we're gonna go tailgate throwdown this year. That's all I can think about. That's all I dedicated this channel to now. Everything that I'm about is about tailgate throwdown. And I'm just super glad to be part of that deal. So anyways, I'm gonna end it here. I appreciate everybody that's watched. If you're interested in getting one of those canvases, we're gonna start just, you can go to moonshinergarage.com. We put some of the red bracelets on there. You can purchase one of those bracelets for $10, and when you get in, that'll put you in for a canvas. We're gonna do a drawing every Thursday. We're gonna give one of those away. So put in $10, get you a bracelet, get in the drawing. Thursday is gonna be a 24 by 36 canvas of your car, your house, your wife, your wedding, whatever the hell you want. We're gonna make it for you and get it shipped out to you. So thanks for watching.